person you're talking about? Who is this person you're talking about? You answer me now. Is she? Who is she? Who is she?
We can run the world, we can run the world. We can run the world, we can run the world. We can run the world, we can run the world.
Got dreams, cash in the cream, grind like a fiend for shit you never seen. Watch you take it over, bitch, they coming over. Money we counted over, my niggas they never sober. I pull up in the bent, duck tent, black gut sipping clear, bent, Clark Kent, black shoes, my attitude's fuck for a dollar, never hit the bottom. Fifth clap, skater lap, all black Raider hat. Serve the customers, the custom made the Porsche. Nazir Jones, homie, the world is yours. But Tony Montana with a bitch from Atlanta at the Caesar Cabana. Then I'm ghost like the Phantom. Dirty money hitting me like a needle. Got me standing on the streets like the Beatles. I'm a motherfucking coke boy. Baby, come and run the world with a dope boy.
I'm a motherfucking coke boy. I'm a motherfucking coke boy. Coke boy, coke boy, coke boy, coke boy. I'm a motherfucking coke boy.
Some people looking through the mirror. This isn't where we started. They see the feels. So they capture freedom. You know nothing at all. We run, 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 we run. We can run the world.
We can run the world.
For long, the young genius.